LiveSource takes the chaos out of your supply chain with collaborative manufacturing. While the need for supplier collaboration is vital during product launch, it doesn't end there. It's still critical to manage your suppliers throughout production to ensure you meet delivery deadlines. LiveSource Collaborative Manufacturing eliminates blind spots in your supply chain by connecting to suppliers who are not leveraging EDI systems. The platform connects to your existing EDI server or directly to your ERP, continually managing and updating forecasts, firm orders, approved packaging, labels, delivery notes, capacity, and consignment stocks. Additionally, LiveSource manages other activities that originally started in the launch process. VAVE brings innovation and new ideas from both internal and external stakeholders that result in change requests. Sourcing managers handle updated pricing as a result of those changes. The quality team manages several activities during production, including change requests that may require a new PPAP, derogation from standard processes as requested by suppliers, and supplier collaboration on nonconformities. Purchasing and production teams manage tooling activities, including location tracking of supplier-managed tools, supplier requests to move a tool to a different plant or subcontractor, and management of required maintenance, as well as end of life to plan for replacement. Supplier collaboration is critical during production. Leverage a single source of truth for order management and production activities with LiveSource Collaborative Manufacturing. Take the chaos out of your supply chain. Know what's coming with LiveSource.